In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debug SQL queries in Google Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get clear explanations of what's going wrong, receive corrected SQL you can run immediately, and even pick up optimization best practices along the way. First, open Google Gemini in your browser. You don't need anything fancy to get started, just a place where you can chat with the model. Keep your SQL query handy so you can quickly paste it in. Next, paste your SQL query into Gemini. If you can, include the relevant parts of your database schema as context. Things like table names, column types, and primary or foreign keys. You don't need to share every table, just the parts the query touches. Before pasting, remove any sensitive information such as actual user data, secrets, or private identifiers. Using generic sample values is more than enough for effective debugging. Now ask Gemini to find errors or optimize the query. Be specific about what you want help with. Tell it whether you're looking for syntax errors, logical mistakes that cause wrong results, or performance issues like slow joins and missing indexes. Ask for step-by-step explanations of each problem in plain language so you can learn what to watch for next time. Request a corrected version of the SQL that's ready to run, and if helpful, ask for optimization tips or best practices tailored to your database engine. Clear prompts lead to clearer fixes, so don't hesitate to mention the SQL dialect you're using. Let Gemini generate the debugging analysis. Read through the reasoning carefully. Look for notes about mismatched column names, ambiguous joins, incorrect groupings, or functions that don't exist in your dialect. For performance, pay attention to suggestions about indexing, reducing subqueries, or reordering joins. If Gemini asks for more context, provide just the schema details it needs rather than your entire database. Finally, apply the recommended fixes and test the query on your database. Start in a safe environment like a staging copy or a transaction you can roll back, and verify that the results match your expectations. Compare performance before and after, check execution time, or use an explain plan if your database supports it. If you see new error messages or unexpected results, bring those back to Gemini with the updated query. This quick feedback loop will help you converge on a correct and efficient solution. That's it. Open Gemini, paste your query and schema, ask it to debug and optimize, review the analysis, then apply and test. You'll be shipping reliable SQL faster and with more confidence.